there we have it, nice and true, everything's level. Temporary battens going across there from somewhere else in the build, I'm not sure yet, but they'll be getting removed just so I can hold it all level. A couple of these legs were cut shorter just so I can get an even amount off the soil. I haven't had to cut any of these, it's just a little bit closer towards the back than it was at the front. They're now dug, put at an angle. That'll going to stable it all up, put a streamline running all the way around. Everything's spot on. And then we'll just shorten the net by that amount. You're on camera, little boy. You're gonna wave and say hello. Hey. So what do you think to it so far?
Good.
Good.
That little one, not that big one.
So that's a few more hours thrown at it. A lot of sanding today. Taking all the edges off, putting all the rads on as recommended. It is rough sawn when it's all cut to length. So I've just been taking up all the splinters and whatnot, all the rough ends. But yeah, it's looking good. Just tested the bridge. If it weren't holding my weight, then I'm not letting my kids on it. So. Today and yesterday, a few hours, all good.